Alright, so I'm going to do the first oil change on this X550i. This is the N63TU. Gonna need this. I think this is 86. Yes, right there. 86 millimeter. And this, I think this fits the bolt, and this is 5/16. Let me show you. You're gonna go under the car. So there's the drain bolt, drain plug, whatever you call it. Fits nicely. And then there's the oil filter. Let's see if this fits. Yep, fits perfectly. So this is a 86 millimeter. It fits. Okay. So I'm about to drain oil, and then come back. Okay, so the oil drain plug is out. Almost all of the oil has leaked out, and then the oil filter is out. It is a little messy. If anyone knows of a better way to take it out, because as soon as I took the cover off, the remaining oil in the filter was just pouring out like crazy for a few seconds, and then it slowed down. It's a little messy, so if anyone knows a better way, feel free to pitch in. Just want to add something while I'm here. The seal, mine got stuck in there. I mean, it's not stuck, it just didn't come out on its own. I had to get a little screwdriver and give it a push, just slightly, just in case yours don't come out. Make sure it's out. So here's the filter. This is what I got. This is what I used to use in my 3 Series diesel. I liked it, so I bought the same one. For this, this is the original. They make good filters. I like them. And this is the oil I got. Oh yeah, it came with what is it? With the replacement seal, the ring, and also one like this for drain plug. And this is the oil I got. 5W40. I've never used this oil before. Heard good things about it. Alright, so this filter, I'm pretty sure they all say the same thing. It has a cap side, and there's nothing on the other side. So the cap side, you just put it like that and push it till it clicks. And it clicked. Just like that. Easy. And then you take this, the O-ring, take it off, put the new one on, put some oil on it so it slides in easily. Well, that's it. Very easy and quick. Well, it was kind of long for the first time, but next time it's going to be way quicker because this was the first time. I would say I would add one more thing. When you put the drain plug back in and the filter, the drain plug needs to be tightened to 18 foot-pounds of torque, and filter, I think at first you tighten it to 22, and then you go back 180 degrees, and then you tighten it back again to 29 foot-pounds of torque. Yeah, that's it. Okay, here we go. I hope you saw that. So 8 quarts came out. I put in exactly 8. I think I was just a little over being in the middle between minimum and maximum. Whatever came out, I put in exactly 8 quarts, and I was right between minimum and maximum. So I hope that helps. If anyone needs any help, I'll be happy to help.